Hello everybody, today we make a training for how to do routine maintenance for a handheld fiber laser welder. First, work to replace the protective lens. Second, loose the lock screw on the front head and take out protective lens asset. Also, another helper, cover the hole by adhesive paper asset to prevent loss purpose. Third, check if the protective lens got loss dirty. Use dust-free swab to clean it with ethyl alcohol. If there are removable marks, we should replace it by a new lens. Fourth, take out the covering on the lens. Take out the lens and replace it with a new one. During the operation, pay attention to that do not touch the both surface of the lens. Carry it by side edge, please. Fifth, place the lens bracket into the hole asset. Fix the lock screw. All work finished. The laser nozzle is also a consumable item. After long time welding, the nozzle head may be damaged by high temperature and sparks. We replace it to ensure our welding quality. The correct shutdown machine sequence is: firstly, turn off the start button. See the light is off. Then wait for 5 seconds to let the laser source shut off. Then turn off the machine power button. At last, push the emergency button. Replace the water inside the chiller tank. We suggest to replace the water each month. At most, do not exceed 2 months. Take off the front door. Then we can see the water line on the panel. Drain out old water from the drain hole here. Fill up the tank with new water from the outside inlet. We recommend best to use distilled water. Can last 2 months, or if you use purified water, must replace it every month. Forbid to use tap water or mineral water, because that with impurities will damage our laser machine. Okay, today's training is all finished. Thank you.